I'm going to open a investigation task for archives. So I'll go and click, I create my task, I get my new task up here, and now I'm going to look for a camera within the sandbox. I'm going to use the same camera here. Now I could have done the same thing by searching for the name of the camera. Up here, Axis Demo, and I click, and it's going to take me directly to that one camera. So remember that we can use our search option here on the cameras to go or to search for the camera that we want to work for. As you notice, as soon as I click here, I'm going to have all available video for the camera that I'm working with. So I got Tuesday, Wednesday, the 24th. If I just now select the one day, let's say for example, let's keep the theme of June 24, and I generate a report. To the right, now I'm going to see all the available thumbnail and video available for that one day. Notice that it looks very similar to the Go specific calendar. So it's very similar, starting at 12 o'clock in the morning all the way to 11 o'clock. So for 24 lines, that basically means 24 hours. So now I can just quickly double click. Let's say for example, if I click here at 7 p.m. it's going to start playing back video starting at 7 p.m. and what we have here is basically 1 hour video. Okay, I can now move. I can double click here and I can move my indicator to the position within that 1 hour that I want to review video. Okay. Now let's say for example that I know the time that I specifically want to go to. Let's take the example of 6:24 at 7:25 p.m. I can now go to time range, for example, and I can now select the one camera that I want, and I can go to specific time. I will select the 24th. Okay. I'm also going to select the 24 here. Okay. And now for my time, I'm going to look for or type in 7, let's say 25 p.m. and then 7, let's say 26 p.m. All right, so I'm just going to look for 1 minute of video. I'll go generate report, and instead of showing me 1 hour video now, it returns with a 1 minute of search. If I double click here, notice the difference. Let me pause. Notice the difference. It started at 7:25 all the way to 7:26. I could also use the during the last instead of specific, and if I click on one day and generate report, it was just going to bring me a video for the past one day, for the last day. I could say 2 days. It's going to bring me 2 days of video. I can go years, month, week, hours, and minutes. If I click on 1 minute for that one camera, it's going to bring me the last minute of recorded video for this one camera.